Well, we're gonna have to get you a new string. I need a new string too, you see that? We're gonna have to fix both of our strings on break. So can you do like, are you gonna do like the dancing for us and stuff? How are you at dancing? You're bad? So am I. I'm not good at dancing either. Your mom asked me to dance at a friend's, we were at Union Street last night, and I was like, no. And she's like, yeah, I don't like to dance either. Whatever, you know. I give, you take, I produce, you create, your way through life. But someday you make a wonderful wife. Who now? What, how? You created this new drama that I love. You nest up there in the clouds. Just make sure you die forever. Calm down. Well, the wolves will be out, fat and happy as the wolves will be out. Fat and happy as the wolves will be out. Fat and happy as the feet on your guts. And that's what happened. I hate to see it done. But when the wolves are out, you can't trust anyone. You got something there? You live, yes you live to hate. It's like everything and everyone is on your plate. Go blow your horn somewhere where I can hear the bad notes everywhere. Well, don't take this lying down. Go home, clean up, go out on the cloud. Ignore the peace and quiet. Go out and start a mother riot. Well, the wolves will be out. Fat and happy as the wolves will be out. Fat and happy as the wolves will be out. Fat and happy, not peace when your guts, and that's what happened. I hate to see it done. But when the wolves are out, you can't trust anyone. One more time. Thanks a lot, Lucy. We're going to take a quick break. We'll be back.